Hello friends, welcome to Law Talks with RN. Today we are discussing one of the most landmark judgments in Indian constitutional history, Maneka Gandhi versus Union of India 1978. This case transformed how we interpret fundamental rights, especially Article 21, and laid the foundation for a more liberal and expansive interpretation of the right to life and personal liberty. So, let's break down this case and understand why it is so important. In 1977, Maneka Gandhi, a journalist and daughter-in-law of former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi, was issued a passport under the Passport Act 1967. However, soon after receiving it, the Regional Passport Office in Delhi asked her to surrender her passport under Section 30 Clause 3 subsection C of the Passport Act. No specific reasons were given except that the decision was in the public interest. Shocked and left with no explanation, Maneka Gandhi decided to challenge this arbitrary order in the Supreme Court. The key question in this case was, can the government restrict a person's right to travel abroad without giving valid reasons? In other words, does such action violate a citizen's fundamental right to personal liberty under Article 21 of the Constitution? Maneka Gandhi's arguments. Her legal team argued that the action taken by the government was arbitrary and violated her right to life and personal liberty, Article 21. They also claimed that it violated Article 14, right to equality, and Article 19, Clause 1, subsection A, freedom of speech, and Article 19, Clause 1, subsection G, right to practice any profession. Government's argument, the government maintained that the decision was taken in the interest of national security and that there was no need to give a detailed explanation. The seven-judge bench of the Supreme Court delivered a landmark judgment in favor of Maneka Gandhi. The court ruled that Article 21 should be interpreted broadly and personal liberty includes many rights, not just protection from physical restraint. Any law affecting personal liberty must be just, fair and reasonable, not arbitrary. The procedure established by law under Article 21 must be in line with principles of natural justice and fairness. This case redefined Article 21 and introduced a more liberal interpretation of fundamental rights. Before this case, Article 21 was interpreted narrowly. But after this judgment, the right to life and personal liberty became a broad and encompassing right covering various aspects of human dignity. It also linked Article 14, 19 and 21, creating what we call the golden triangle of the Indian Constitution, ensuring that no fundamental right can be read in isolation. This judgment had a long-lasting impact on Indian jurisprudence. It set the foundation for several progressive decisions in the future. Cases related to prisoners' rights, environmental protection, and even the right to privacy have relied on the principle established in this judgment. In short, it ensured that personal liberty cannot be taken away without due process and fairness. So friends, the Maneka Gandhi case was a turning point in the interpretation of fundamental rights in India. It transformed Article 21 into a powerful shield that protects citizens from arbitrary state actions. I hope you found this explanation helpful. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Law Talks with RN for more such discussion. See you in the next video.